Hello, my name is Amanda Trainer, and I'm reporting for ATM 101, our first weather observation. My observation station is located at 64.071594 degrees north and minus 145.602115 degrees west on Hannon Road, Delta Junction, Alaska. My weather station sits under the eave of my roof, so it is out of sunlight on the left side of Hannon Road. Hannon Road runs north off of Jack Warren Road in a heavily wooded area northeast of Delta Junction. The surrounding area also includes many farming and agricultural land sites, as well as rivers and lakes. The Tanana River runs further northeast of Delta Junction, you can see by the silt, and feeding into it is the Clearwater River, and over here is the Clearwater Lake. And also to the west of Delta Junction is the Delta River, which is also very silty, and you see Delta Junction actually sits on the bank of the Delta River. Heading a little south of Delta Junction, we hit Fort Greely, and even further south, we hit the Donnelly Flats. To the east, we have the Granite Mountains, and across the river, southwest, we have the Alaska Range. Delta Junction sits in the southeast part of the interior, about 98 miles southeast of Fairbanks. I took my first weather report on January 22nd, 2018 at 2:05 p.m. My indoor report on my left thermometer probe recorded 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 19.4 degrees Celsius. My right was 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 19.4 degrees Celsius, and I had a thermometer on the wall that measured 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 degrees Celsius, and the discrepancy probably was just the fact that it was higher up on the wall. Barometric pressure was 1,019 millibars, 30.09 inches in mercury. So for my outdoor weather observation, my uncorrected compass direction was 262 degrees. Magnetic declination was 18 degrees, so I ended up with a corrected compass direction of 280 degrees. I took my first weather observation outside a little bit later that same day, January 22nd, at 3 o'clock. For my left probe, I got a reading of negative 14.7 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 25.9 degrees Celsius. And for my right, I got negative 14.1 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 25.6 degrees Celsius. Barometric pressure was 1,006 millibars and 29.7 in mercury. Looking up the sky, sky cover was 100% with light gray clouds that I determined the cloud type to be nimbostratus. There was no sun or blue sky showing whatsoever. Precipitation, it was snowing. And visibility, I'm going to say, was probably about 5 miles, definitely less than 10 as it was snowing, but not a complete whiteout. I determined the Beaufort number to be calm because there was the snow as it was falling, it did not shift directions at all, and I could clearly see my breath, and it would flow straight up, and there didn't appear to be any movement in the trees. And plus, living in Delta, we grow very much accustomed to the wind, so I feel like I'm a professional on that part. But anyhow, thanks for listening.